That sounded like the school bell, didn't it? Like the announcements from the speaker from the administrative front office, right? So fine. I'm like the front office, the administration of, let's just say your soul, your higher self, who speaks to you in the language of the dreaming mind, in your nighttime dreams, and in symbolism during your daytime dreams or your daytime life. And here's the deal about this that I really want to drive home today. Your dreams, practicing the understanding of the meaning of your dreams and like dream interpretation in the deeper sense of the word, actually ground you in spirituality in an embodied, like human form. So there's a lot of talk out there by spiritual leaders and gurus about spiritual bypassing and escaping your current situation by like dropping into spiritual escapism, basically, right? Where you're trying to manifest relief from your problems. And dreams are like the trickster of that concept, because originally they seem so completely disconnected from your waking life. When you have a dream and you wake up and you're like, that was like way over here out of left field. It's way over here in left field. I don't know which direction that is for you. And it seems completely random, and it seems to be saying nothing or to be completely unrelated to what you're going through. Yet when you do the deeper dream unpacking, when you do the deep inquiry, like the dream kit that I offer and all of those things, when you practice, when you come to dream circles and you really sit in contemplation about how is this dream connected to my waking life, you're connecting in an embodied way and really getting into the digging into your issues. You're not escaping your issues. You may think that you are looking for divine guidance about how to avoid those issues, but really what you're doing, what dreams are doing for you, is they're bringing the very next issue, part of your issue that's available for you to understand and untangle to the surface, to the conscious level, so that you can go, oh, I never thought about it that way. Oh, I see how this dream is showing me that I really need to deal with this part of the issue next. I can't, if you haven't experienced a dream circle or any of this projective dream work through exploration and participating in a dream group, or even doing dream interpretation with me, like if you haven't really experienced it, it's so hard to understand and for me to explain what I'm trying to say. But anyway, in thinking about that, like, you know, there is this natural tendency for us to try to escape our issues, and spirituality promises feel-good stuff, and so we chase after spiritual practices that make us feel good. I'd like to offer that dreams are a really authentic way for you to get to your issues through a spiritual practice. It's like they help you dig down instead of rising up. And by digging down and clearing out and facing those issues in the way that dreams help us do that, it's so beautiful the way they do it. It's so awe-inspiring the way your dreams bring your issues to surface. But in facing your dreams and getting curious about your dreams and recording them in a journal and just kind of letting them start to have space in your day, you're actually letting your issues start to speak to you. You're letting the obstacles and struggles that are really holding you back surface so that you can get curious about them and ultimately work with them and release their like grip that they have on your waking life progress. I hope that some of that made sense. It made sense in my head when I was lying in bed thinking about it, so I thought I would just sit down and like bleh, try to get it all out. So be well, sweet dreams, record them, and let me know what questions you have.